Hi, today I'm going to unbox a Apple keyboard. You can see in the box, got all that lovely stuff on it. It was $49. I got at the Apple Store, so go ahead and open this up. Looks pretty nice. See, it's still packaged up. Well, hard to get off. It's a tight squeeze. Alright. Here's the Apple keyboard. It's actually pretty nice. It's just like a laptop with the keys. So if you have a MacBook or something, there's no getting used to it. Let's see what else is in here. Got some stuff that no one reads, cares about. I guess a USB extension made specifically for the Apple keyboard. It's actually got little notches. I don't know if you can see these on the top of each of them, so they only work with an Apple keyboard. You can't just plug it into an iPod or anything, I don't think. I can look. Where's my iPod? Look. Yeah, they only work with the Apple keyboard, but that's fine because that's the only thing I'd use it on. I have 200 USB extensions floating around. So, you can go ahead and plug it in and it'll work. This is an Apple keyboard made by Apple Incorporated in California. Please keep watching my videos and thank you.